son, like these are people who's talking to, like what? Like I thought like they own this car. Like why the fuck are you touching this person's car and like you don't fucking know them? They're going around fucking touching people's cars and shit. And him, I forgot his name. That's smart as shit. Yo, that little fucking bug is like loud as shit. Yo, he crazy. Their own fucking exhaust battle and shit. Oh! I know, right? Cause you can't get shit over there. Yo, you see this S2000? This Jetta right here. Like them shit's killing the, like the GTR though, I didn't hear it yet. But like these cars right here, I didn't hear them yet. The only one so far who I know I can kill that shit is like this one. And then, yeah, this shit's loud as fuck, bro. Yeah, something. Yo, they fucking funny, bro. I'm gonna try to scare my sister.